Hello YouTube, Tug Hill RC here. I want to take up my night vapor. Hopefully I can get it trimmed out. Had a pretty bad crash and had to replace the motor box, so we're going to see how it does tonight. Well, hovering is doing pretty good. Well, seeing how I had to push down elevator, I think we should make a small adjustment here. Let's bring it down a little bit. That's full down elevator, that's not good. So let's bring her in. Alrighty, we're gonna have to fix that. That don't work for me. That was max down elevator, and that's not getting her done. Much better. I don't know if that's right where I wanted that, but we're doing all right. Ooh, that was close. A little bit more down, I think. He wants to climb too much on me. It's pretty close. Not bad. Stay out of the throttle. Get out of that tree. Don't go in that tree. Here we go, gentlemen. And ladies. Made it through the gate. We're doing good. Keep on wanting to use my left stick for the rudder, and I know that's not the case with this little 3-channel. You have a good landing here. Beautiful landing. Right back up. And back out in the yard again. Nope, down, 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 down. There we go. I want to hit that wire. Nice little windless night here at the tug, so it's a beautiful night for the vapor. Can't sleep, PTSD dreams, and legs are hurting really bad today. Had to walk 3 miles today and wasn't prepared for it. Go higher here, see if we can soar over the wires. Not too bad. Let's get out of that tree though. Uh-oh. Not too bad. Bring her down here. I think we got a little more gas in the tank yet. Yeah, I'm glad I bought my gearbox when I did. It's out of stock now. Can't get it at the moment. But I'm going to buy a backup just in case I have another crash like I did, which is rare. But it was my fault. I was getting too smart with it. And planes are not monster trucks. I'll agree with two brothers on that. Planes are not monster trucks. Yeah, I think she's running out of little gas there. Yep, that's it for that flight, guys. She's running out of gas. Throttle cut on. Checked, good. And that was 7 minutes on that. Not bad. 7 minutes on that little battery. Well, this is Doug Hill signing out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Have a good night. Bye.